Hey there, viewers! Do you enjoy lemon water? Well, you're definitely missing out if you don't. Drinking a tall glass of lemon water every morning can do a lot of good to your body. Not only does a sprinkle of lemon on salad make your veggies taste better, but this is also a refreshing drink packed with nutrients that can transform your body in 7 days. And in today's video, Silva Guide will be revealing to you all the potential positive changes drinking lemon water can bring to your body in 7 days. Does it improve digestive health? Will it boost your immune system? Wait, lemon water has the ability to improve your skin quality? We'll be talking about all of these and more. But before we continue, click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload healthy content like this. Number 1. Boosts immune system. According to research, drinking a tall glass of lemon water when you're down with the flu can make you feel better. Oh yeah, lemon water is your immune system's best friend, thanks to its rich content in vitamin C, which helps to keep disease and infections at bay. Number 2. Improves digestion. Mornings are the best time to take lemon water. Let me tell you why. This is because of the fact that lemon water is that perfect drink that helps kickstart your digestion. Every other food you consume after the lemony drink digests better. In addition to aiding smooth flow of food in the digestive tract, lemon water also helps in proper absorption of the nutrient from foods. Well, that's not all. This unique property of lemon helps to improve your gut's health. Number 3. Healthier skin. Want to improve your skin quality and look younger? Make it a daily habit to drink lemon water and watch your skin glow. This super drink has a lot of vitamin C that boosts the production of skin-strengthening protein, known as collagen. What are you waiting for? Incorporate lemon water into your food timetable. You can add it to your salad or drink it just like that. Trust me, your skin will thank you. Number 4. It freshens breath. Are you suffering from bad breath? Lemon water is that Superman you need to save your day. Drinking a glass of lemon water after your meals can help get rid of that unwanted smell. Thanks to its acidic content, which stimulates the production of saliva and prevents dry mouth, which is one of the causes of overgrowth of bad bacteria that makes your breath smell bad. To benefit from the breath-freshening property of lemon water, squeeze half a lemon into 8 ounces of warm or cold water and rinse your mouth after each meal with it. Number 5. It promotes hydration. According to the Food and Nutrition Board, it is advised that women should get at least 91 ounces of water daily, while men should get 125 ounces per day. Another study has also shown that lemon improves the flavor of water, so adding some drops of lemon to your water may help you drink more. Do you enjoy drinking lemon water daily? What are some other health benefits that you've experienced from drinking lemon water? Start a conversation today with our community in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this video, remember to like, share, and subscribe to get more interesting videos like this one. Until next time.